Hi, I'm Angela.
And I'm Jeff.
And we're Pure Detour.
In the summer of 2021, we quit our jobs to travel the world full time.
This month, we're traveling around Egypt to explore the beaches, cruise the Nile, and see the legendary ancient sites.
So to start off with today, we have just left Luxor. We are cruising down the Nile River.
We've got a couple of really interesting stops ahead. Let's go check them out. It's been about 2.5 hours since the boat has left Luxor. We're on our way now sailing to Edfu, and I was just saying to Jeff, as we're kind of just cruising along enjoying the view, it looks exactly how I pictured it in my mind.
Yep.
The tall palm trees, the buildings along the side of the bank, the little kind of mountains in the distance, exactly how I thought of it.
Exactly. And from the looks, we just looked at the maps, and from the looks of it, we still have quite a ways to go that we're going to be sailing down the Nile here, so we'll see how this goes. So apparently here at 5 o'clock on the boat, they do a tea time. And we also get
cookies, I think. Cookies of some kind, maybe little breads. I was just saying that this may, like, as many of amazing things that we've seen today and yesterday, right now may just be my favorite part of the trip so far. Just kind of very calmly cruising down the amazing Nile, watching the sunset.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. So this is what we're going to be doing all night. Now, right now we're going to be cruising for the next 6-7 hours. So we're going to go grab some dinner and check in for the night. And
this boat behind us, Speed Racer, thinks they can pass us. So I'm going to go talk to the captain, make sure that doesn't happen.
See you in the morning. So our next morning is starting off. We sailed overnight into Edfu, and we are on our way on a horse-drawn carriage right now to the Edfu temple.
After what is most certainly the most chaotic horse ride I've ever had in my entire life, like, it's crazy busy out there. I think it's because it's a holiday. We have arrived at Edfu Temple. One thing about this temple is that it is much newer than all of the other ones we've visited so far. This one was completed in 57 BC. This is super impressive. Standing here on the ground, I don't know if you can kind of get a sense for the scale of it, but it's just got this feeling of like something.
If I'm being completely honest here, this temple at Edfu may be the most impressive one we've seen so far.
For me, one of the most impressive things about all of these carvings on the wall is that they are not carved into the wall. The wall is carved around it, so each of these symbols is actually raised from the wall rather than carved into it. So I can't imagine how difficult that must have been to make, especially so much of it. This temple is huge and so detailed. I could keep walking like this if you can see behind me. And it just goes on for a long time that way, and then all the way up, it's carved. This is very impressive. So one of the things you'll see a lot of in this temple is that a lot of the images of the kings and of the gods have been chiseled off of the walls. They're not entirely sure who did that or for what, but it's basically the ancient equivalent of burning books.
Still in mid-COVID right now. This is inside the temple here in Edfu, and look at that crowd behind me. So we have finished off with the Edfu temple here. What an impressive sight. That place is absolutely amazing.
Really cool.
Yeah, we've made our way back to the boat now. We are going to be cruising down the Nile here shortly.
Yeah, we're gonna set sail. We're gonna have some lunch on the boat. After lunch, we're heading to Kom Ombo temple. While we are kind of relaxing in our room and waiting for lunchtime, we're just watching the Nile go by out the river of our cabin here. And it's starting to look a little bit more rural. We're starting to see a lot of like big water buffalo in the water, kids playing in the water. It's really pretty out there.
Yeah, so we're going to take you guys real quick on a little boat tour. Let's go check it out.
So it's not a huge cruise boat, but there are maybe about 5 main areas that we've kind of been hanging out in.
On the top deck of the boat, you have your pool deck, and it's a big wide open area. You can watch the Nile go by in the background. Great place to come and have a drink if you want. Pool up here, it's great.
This is the front desk reception area. The employees here are amazing, and this is where we meet our guide every morning for our excursions. Right next to reception is this little lounge area where you can come in. They play music in the evenings, you can have a drink or just relax during the day.
And down on the bottom level of the boat is where they have the dining area. This is where all your meals are taken in, and we're gonna go have lunch. After about 6 hours of cruising, this is the next stop in the location here.
When we off-boarded our cruise ship, there was maybe like 6 or 8 other ships that came at the same time we did, so it is packed here.
So this is Kom Ombo. Let's go take a look around.
The level of detail and the amount of preservation that's been done on this site, this is probably by far the most detailed we have seen yet. It's striking.
How do you feel about it? It's a little overwhelming.
This one and the one earlier, just the
Yeah,
so much carving, so much detail.
it's crazy.
Yeah. Hey Jeff.
Yeah.
If you were an Egyptian god,
Yep.
you would have the body of a man
Yep.
and the head of a
That's a good one. I don't know. A cobra.
cobra. tour guide knows that we're filming to try and show you all these great things. And 9 times out of 10, we've had to cut so many of these shots because 9 times out of 10, we turn on the camera and he just walks right through the middle of the shot.
All right, so that's gonna wrap up their time there at the temple. We are gonna go jump back on the boat right now, and I'm gonna drink a beer. Made our way back over to the boat. We are up on the pool deck right now with an Egyptian stela. So we are just gonna kind of relax here for the night.
It was a great day. The sights that we saw today were probably our favorite of the whole trip so far.
Definitely.
Yeah, so cheers.